Hello. Today we will learn the practical of mobile communication is execute network service commands using relevant software. In this practical we require a GSM trainer kit and it is connected to the computer. And hyperterminal software is required. Click on hyperterminal. Write here name and click on OK. Then select the communication port. In this practical, communication port is 8, so select communication port 8 and OK. Then this is the communication port 8 properties, means the port settings. Bits per seconds 9600, data bits 8, parity none, stop bits 1, flow control none and OK. Click on settings and click on the ASCII setup, click the OK and here write 80, then enter. The possible response is OK, means the connection is OK. Then we see the different network control commands. So first command is AT plus cnum, then enter. Okay. This action command returns the MS ISDNs related to the subscriber. If subscriber has different MS ISDN for different services, each MS ISDN is returned in a separate line. Means a specific number is displayed on this command. Next command is AT plus COPS. Okay, this command an attempt to select and register the GSM network operator. Okay, by using this command we can select or we can identify the different registration GSM networks. Another command is AT plus CLIR. Okay. By using this command, CLIR services are displayed. These services that allows a calling subscriber to enable or disable the presentation of the CLI to the called party when originating a call. In this command, 0 displays some values or 0 defines some values. 0 means presentation indicator is used according to the subscriber of the CLIR services. 1 displays the CLIR and second is the CLIR separations. So by using this command, displays some values, means this function is performed by using the CLIR command. Another command is AT plus COLP. So command is AT plus COLP question mark. Here also 0 means disable and 1 means enable. Means both these conditions, this SIM card is performed its function. So this command refers to the GSM supplementary services. So by using these commands we can perform these different functions of this particular SIM card. Okay, thank you.